Okay, I had to change out a few things. I made a V, which gives me my air intake and my fuel consumption a lot more controllable. And when I do this, I turn on the transducer, and it really produces very little vapor, and it runs a lot better than it was before. I was getting a lot of really high RPMs. And I totally bypassed the carburetor and used these two valves as my carburetor, and it seems to be running really good. Totally disconnected the automatic adjust, and that's about it. So I should be getting even more mileage, so to speak, or run time as I go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off for a minute and crank it up. Can't hold it at the same time, and then I'll start it up again. Okay, there we go. It's running a lot slower, which is okay. Trying to make the generator run a lot better. Maybe not. Okay, gotta adjust a little bit. Hey Hollywood, I saw your last video, so I thought I'd just make this just to show you what I was talking about. See that? It's got a little bitty round copper and very, very fine holes. I'm not sure if you can get that on the video. And essentially, what I did here was a double thing. This is my chamber, and then there's an outer chamber where I can connect to the exhaust, keeping it warm as you go through the time because it tends to get colder. And I got stainless steel wool up there, that way any kind of splashes won't get through. The only thing that gets through is the actual vapors. So essentially that's what it looks like. Air sucks in and goes straight to the carburetor. Hope that helps. Now, just in case anybody was interested, here is what I got for my float. I use it to float that transducer. That way you can go straight down and fill up with a lot of gas. And all this is really a simple Fisher-Price toddler toy. And a round ball with slots in it where I cut in half and just zip tied it. Works very good. There is a hole right here on one of these. You have to seal that up. I used gas and oil sealing glue. Once you do that, it floats on the gas, transducer does the work, and there it is.